Now look here, children. The time we did 2-digit subtraction with 2 digits by 1 digit. Now here, that time you had 0 here, isn't it, under tens? But here now, you are going to do subtraction, subtract 2 digits by 2 digits. Okay, if you can do with single digit, you can do with 2 digits also. It's same. Alright, so here also we are going to do without the help of lines. No lines now. You're becoming big now, isn't it? You come to the end of the year, so you have grown big. So you have become big boys and big girls, so you don't need to draw lines. Alright, so let's do without the help of lines. As I told you, when you're doing the subtraction, don't look at the tens. Always look at the ones first. Only the numbers under ones. Okay, so what are the numbers under ones? 8. That means you have 8 sweets, and how many you have to give me? 3 sweets. Alright, so no lines, no drawing lines. So how are we going to do that? Easy way I've shown you. Just count from the down number, the number below, till the top number. The number above this down one. Alright, so you have number 3 down and number 8 up. So count from 3 to 8. So first close your hands, close all your fingers here, make a fist. Alright, and then as you count, take one by one. Take your fingers out first. Okay, one by one. So at the end, the number of fingers come out, you have to write it down. Okay, so count from 3 to 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how many fingers came out? 5 fingers. Can you see it in your hand? Yes, 5 fingers. So you write 5 here. That means you had 8 sweets. You gave me 3. And how many will be left? Left with you now? 5 sweets are still left in your pocket, and you can have them later. So after you finish the numbers under ones, we move on to tens. Here. Now tens also, you have 2 digits here. Before you had only 1. And you had 0 here, isn't it? Now you have 1 digit and another digit also. So let's do it. It's the same thing. How you did the first numbers, how you counted from down till up, the same way you count from down till the top one. Alright? So you have 5 sweets, you have to give me 2. So how many will be left with you? So let's count from 2 to 5. 2 is already here. Now let's count in your fingers. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how many fingers came out? 3. So you'll still have 3 sweets left in your pocket. Okay. Now let's do one more sum. Last one. Now look here. Look only at the numbers under ones. What are the numbers? 7 and 2. That means you have 7 sweets. You have to give me 2. How many will be left with you? Count from 2 to 7. Close all your fingers. Make a fist. Now start counting. As you count, take your fingers out. 2. And when you count till 7, you stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came out? 5 again. So 7 sweets, you give away 2, you'll still have 5 sweets in your pocket. Now let's move on after 10 ones. The next digit is tens. So what are the numbers under tens? 4 minus 2. So you have 4 sweets, give away 2. How many will be left with you? Let's count from 2 to 4. 2, 3, and 4. So how many fingers came out? 2. That means you still have 2 sweets in your pocket. Okay, children. So this is how you do without drawing the lines. Okay, it's very easy. As you do the other sum, as you do sums every day, 4 sums, if you do, then you will be perfect. All right.